G'day, I'm Len Ellington from Smith Partners Real Estate. Welcome to number 9 Seville Place in Golden Grove. We're set in the Orchard Grove estate. Have a look at this amazing 5-bedroom home. So even the children have got great accommodation here. Look at this amazing cubby house behind us. We're set on over 800 square metres of land, which is a great backyard for the kids. It's a huge house, 5 bedrooms and plenty of living space, lots of undercover parking and off-street parking. A great place for the family. So for more information, just give me a call, have a look online for up and coming inspection times.